All right, we're back and we're going to film.
We're gonna film how to make animal style fries
From In-N-Out.
So what an animal style is like a regular French fry, but you're gonna put a thing of cheese on top and sauteed onions.
Yep.
And we're gonna show you how you make your special sauce. We're gonna put this in a pan and cook it at 350. Actually, I think this is 400. Let me see. We are gonna cook it at 450 for
350.
11 to 15 minutes.
And shoestring fries.
Shoestring fries. Say that twice. Shoestring fries. We're gonna put it on a little pan. Wow, we're really flustered today.
You are.
Yeah, nothing's happening though.
I had to get extra crispy because
I thought you were gonna. Do not. Shoestring fries. These are actually a little bit bigger than a regular shoestring.
Yeah, well, they were extra crispy. They didn't have any regular, but I thought they'd be just as good.
But does it say shoestring?
Yes.
No, it just says extra crispy. It doesn't say
Whatever.
shoestring.
We're looking for its shoestring style.
No, it's not. These are regular.
Okay, but guess what? It's gonna work. You want to use shoestring fries. That would be In-N-Out.
Fries.
Exact In-N-Out.
Put a little bit of olive oil on it.
Okay, Motor Mouth.
Katie, it's my recipe. So, get some salt. Garnish that shit. And you're gonna pop it in the oven.
At 450. Just read the back of your fries.
Yes, ma'am. Gonna bust it out. Bust it open. And next clip. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Jump.
I can't get a fucking word in.
Oh, wait. You're gonna want to dice up an onion. You can do a full onion because they shrink.
Yes. You need butter.
Chop.
She's currently cutting up. So how it works is you get your fries out. Probably should have prepped a little bit before, but we're trying to multitask today, so we didn't really have time.
We got a lot of shit to do.
So you have your fries, they're settling, they're cooling off, and then she is cutting up onions.
Ideally, you want this done before your fries because you need to melt the cheese on the fries. Actually, why don't you put the cheese on right now? So you can put them back in the hot oven.
So you need sharp cheddar cheese. Sliced. I'm getting the pieces out.
Okay.
I want your onion.
And then you're gonna put them, you know what I'm saying?
So you put the slices on top of the fries after they've cooked. Are basically done.
Go ahead and start melting some butter to caramelize your onions, which is gonna take at least 20 minutes.
So we did turn the oven off, but it's still hot. So we've put the cheese on top of the fries, and then we are going to let it melt.
You're gonna reduce the heat as much as you can, add more butter. You wanna caramelize these babies. You know what I mean?
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter, the key, caramelizing. Slow and steady too. You don't wanna burn them right away.
You use butter a lot in your life?
Just like Paula Deen, baby.
Whatever happened to her?
Remember she said all those racist things and canceled it out real quick.
She was fucking canceled before it was even a thing to be canceled.
She's a racist Southern.
Do you think onions have feelings?
Dice your pickles up. Now this one you really have to dice. We're gonna...
Ooh. It's all over your pussy.
That's what she said. Okay. Bunch of mayo. A ton of ketchup. And then just mix it up. You were making your famous sauce. Very famous.
Just ketchup and mayo.
And pickles.
Do you think they use mustard?
No.
Are you just saying that?
No, I really don't think they use mustard. So you're gonna section off like a square that you use the cheese on.
Just sectioning it off.
So once we have that, I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's what it's gonna look like. Cheese and fries. Then
this is what puts it together to make it an In-N-Out animal style fries.
So then you take the fancy sauce, drip it on.
Put as much as you'd like.
This is what makes it animal. Caramelized onions on top, baby. A little bit more. My eye's twitching.
Oh, scary.
And there we go.
There we go.
Animal style, and then we're gonna do mukbang right now with you guys. This is what I want.
Yeah, you make really good. Like, it tastes just like it.
You know?
Oh yeah. You can also request this on your burger, right?
Animal style. Oh, yeah. Sometimes you just need to eat. You know?
All the time. Sometimes though, regular, like In-N-Out, animal style fries, will give you diarrhea.
It makes me nauseous sometimes.
In-N-Out will be In-N-Out.
You know what? Dad says the same thing, that knock on wood does not happen to me.
Not always, but it can.
My fancy sauce,
Pretty good.
it's actually pretty good because I like the thicker, crunchy pickles.
Do you guys like onions with your like burgers and stuff?
I like raw onions better than sauteed, but
I like both.
I'd rather have my fries animal style and my burger regular. Not both. Too much animal style will make me a little nauseous. No?
Oh, I know what you mean.
I wonder what, like, someone from a different country watching this is gonna think of Americans and how fat, like, that this sauce we made was mayo.
Okay. I'm sure there's worse things. Yeah, we haven't burped a lot in this video. Why are you gonna fucking look at me?
Oh.
What?
Random?
What?
I'm looking over there.
Oh, frog pudding. And my pet peeve is when people watch me when I eat.
Oh. Okay. I'm not watching you eat though. Like, when I look at you, I don't think of anything. Like, I don't look at your face, or I don't look, I just like, I don't have a thought. I think that's maybe why I look at you, because I like not having thoughts.
That's scary. Whoa.
Do you know what I mean though? Like, you know when you're like looking at, like, I don't have a, like, I'm not looking at a certain thing on your face, or I'm not looking at it. I'm just looking at you maybe for your reaction. Manchester girl, don't hate me. Just a girl, don't hate me.
Well, that was a big. That was our little mini mukbang / tutorial on how to make your own In-N-Out fries, In-N-Out style fries.
They're just as good.
Oh yeah.
Actually, I think they're better because they're less soggy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Proud of you
I know.
and your recipe. Whoa.
I got killed.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below.
Give us money on our PayPal because these mukbangs are getting expensive.
Okay, yeah, that too.
I could go to sleep right now.
All right, we're gonna go to sleep, so we'll see you guys next week. Or
She's so self-conscious when I look at her. I'm sorry.
And when any mom does that shit too, like, why you gotta look at me when I'm fucking eating? Oh.
Your nipple's showing through. You can see it.
There's Anta.
Oh, okay.
There's no fucking nipple. Do not padding in here.
You don't have one?
That too.